You walk into the kitchen. You open the fridge. And you grab this healthy food. Yet doctors are telling Americans every day to eat more of it. 600%. More than 3 times a day. It has made a positive effect on their lives, which is why it has a global following. People are advertising it on weight loss forums and sharing success stories with before and after images. The purpose of developing weight loss pills is to make consumers' lives simpler. It is probably more convenient for many people than sticking to a rigorous diet plan or committing to anything more serious, such as joining a gym. Supplements are easier to utilize, and anyone can do it. Alpilean comes in a bag of 30 capsules, each containing substances designed to boost and sustain what the body is doing. Alpilean is a weight reduction supplement that contains components that boost metabolism to assist consumers to shed pounds securely. Your path to health will be secure since every component is natural. Weight gain should affect a lower frame because it has been demonstrated that slow metabolism lowers internal body temperature. This implies that managing body weight requires careful attention to internal temperature. A regulated internal temperature melts the stubborn fat deposits that accumulate in different places. However, losing fresh body fat becomes easier, if the body keeps a normal temperature. Optimal core temperature, your cells start to burn fat and use it as energy. Six constituents that target inner body temperature. Supercharging your calorie-burning machine. Golden algae fucocoxanthin, target inner temperature. Supports liver and brain health. Supports liver and brain health. Supports bone strength. Supports bone strength. Deca nut. African mango seed, targets inner temperature. Eases digestion and bloating. Eases digestion and bloating. Supports healthy cholesterol. Supports healthy cholesterol. Four-limb tree leaf. Moringa splint, target inner temperature. Rich in antioxidants. Rich in antioxidants. Supports healthy blood sugar. Supports healthy blood sugar. Bigorade orange citrus. Bioflavonoids, target inner temperature. Supports healthy immunity. Supports healthy immunity. Reduces oxidative stress. Reduces oxidative stress. Gusto rhizome. Gusto root, target inner temperature. Maintains tooth and goo health. Maintains tooth and goo health. Supports healthy muscles. Supports healthy muscles. Turmeric rhizome. Turmeric root, target inner temperature. Supports healthy skin. Supports healthy skin. Supports a healthy heart. Supports a healthy heart. Natural formula. Factory constituents. Non-GMO. Easy to swallow. No instigations. Non-habit forming.